Hello students and welcome to my channel Sriram Edu Talks. In today's class, we are going to learn how to balance a given chemical equation using hit and trial method. Now, balancing a chemical equation. It is the process by which we make the number of different types of an atom equal on both sides of an equation. Let us try and understand the method with the help of some examples. So my first example is the reaction in which CH4 reacts with O2 to give CO2 and H2O. So first of all, I am going to write down the different atoms present in the equation on both the sides. So this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. I will now write down the number of different atoms. That is, carbon here is 2, hydrogen is 4, oxygen is 2. Likewise, here also carbon is 1, oxygen is 2 plus 1, 3, and hydrogen is 2. Now, as you can see, none of the atoms are already balanced here. So we may start with any atom first. So let us start with carbon. Here carbon is 2 atom, here is 1. So I will multiply CO2 by a 2 so that my carbon becomes 2, but apart from that, oxygen also changes to 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now, next is let us take hydrogen. So, hydrogen is 2. If I want to make it 4, I will multiply a 2 here. This will make hydrogen as 2 into 2, 4. But again, oxygen changes to 2 plus 4, 6. Now, my carbon and hydrogen are already balanced. Let us move to oxygen. Here it is 6, but here it is only 2. So if I multiply a 3 over here, that will make oxygen also as 3 to the 6. And now the equation is balanced. Okay, let us take one more example. Aluminium hydroxide upon decomposition gives aluminium oxide and water. So here also I will first of all write down the different types of atoms present on the LHS as well as on the RHS. Now Al on the left hand side is 1, right hand side is 2, oxygen is 3, and here it is 3 plus 1, 4. Hydrogen is also 3, but here it is only 2. So here also none of the atom is already balanced. Let us start by balancing aluminium first. So here aluminium is 2, here it is 1. So I can balance it by multiplying a 2 here, which will make aluminium 2, but it will also change oxygen and hydrogen. Like oxygen was 3 multiplied by 2, now it becomes 6. Likewise, hydrogen also become 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so aluminium is balanced. Let's move to oxygen or hydrogen. So if you see, hydrogen here is 6, but here it is 2. If I multiply a 3 here, that will make 3 to the 6 hydrogen, and that will also change oxygen to 3 plus 3, 6, and that is what we want. Oxygen 6, hydrogen 6. And this way the entire equation gets balanced. So I hope students you must have understood the method of balancing the chemical equation by hit and trial method. Come back again for more such videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.